Oh, 304. Oh my god, I just came. What you looking at, girl? What the? Oh yeah, we got the 2 squids out, baby. Ultra squid. I actually got my jacket on too, cause there's a slight chance of rain, and you know, protection is good. But we're gonna head to Monroe area, get his title notarized. Nice little Sportster or something right there. A little wheelie for the Harley. Bro looking sexy in the full gear. We both haven't worn gear in a minute because it's been so freaking hot, bro. But luckily today it's low-key, like, not that bad. It's like in the 80s or 80. Motherfricka, we're getting on the highway. Get her up to 6th gear. Frick, I should have put on my earplugs, bro. I did not think we were gonna go the highway. Oh well. Dude. Woo, that was close. Good looking out, bro. Oh shoot, speed camera. Where's the camera even at? Right there. Yeah, you ain't covering that at all, my boy. Oh well. Alright, he's done running his errand, so we're heading into downtown now. Looks like we got a little squid in front of us. I don't know what he's on, but... Thank you! Well, now we get to be with him. What is that, a R6? No, it's a freaking Ninja 400 or something. Maybe. I don't know. Is bro on like a test ride or something? I don't know what's going on. Got something going on right here. Man, is that a GSP? Freaking Mustang State Trooper. Oh my frick. Heck no, bro. That's the goddamn new Mustang. Yeah. Be careful with them boys. That stop sign is very hidden. Behind that tree, I almost did not see that. Got a little jump right here. I could have jumped that if I got more speed. What in the bumpkinators was that? Appreciate it. I ain't doing a wheelie right here, bro. Cops all over. Whew, sounds good. My butt cheeks is hurting. Doing, 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 doing. Nice blink here, homeboy. Brother. Where is bro going? Oh my god, had a little dinner. Some hot dogs. I'm feeling full and good. Time to head home now though. Hopefully we don't get rain on, cause it got a little cloudy, not gonna lie. Pow, 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 pow. I'm in the bike lane. Oh. Yeah. Nice, buddy. Yeah, mother frigga. This rain is too slippery, bro. What the dog doing? There's a little freaking chihuahua. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's funny. What you looking at, homeboy? What the? Oh, it's actually a little bit freaking chilly tonight. Okay, cool. It's not hot, I should just say that. Because it's not like cold, but it's like 70 degrees, bruh. Which, low-key on a bike, kinda low. Feels good, though. I'm glad I put my hoodie on. Ah, why is my face getting so tickly? What the heck? Why is there so many Mustangs over there? Huh. I don't know. A lot of bikes out, heck yeah. Alright, Brody, go ahead. Alright, let's see if I can find anybody to park with. I don't know. Beep. Beep. Ooh, 675R. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. It's my favorite thing, backing in. Dude, that thing is clean, bro. Holy carbon fiber. What do you say? What you looking at, girl? I've been working on the lot a little bit so I can get better, bro. Woo! Trying to work on some first gear stuff, get that throttle control down, cause I need to get unscared of dropping back and stuff. You already know. Cause Dropping back in first gear is easy because you have so much engine brake, but like second gear is scary. Skirt. Yo, what that bug doing? I also need to practice freaking going straight. My wheelies are so crooked. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Somebody's little pimped out Hondas over here. Alright. Oh, mousetrap. Whee! Yeah, we finally got some freaking sun, so I'm out here. Also, a deceptively hard trick is no-handers that I'm trying to do. I mean, it's easy to go straight, but like, can't really turn or anything, but it's still fun to do it. Ooh, turn up that idle, boy. But yeah, it's kind of hard to like turn. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you get the point. You already know we on the Jixer too. Jixer, bro, you ain't got crap on me. Just kidding, I can't even wheelie this. And I'm not going to because it's not mine. Whee! Oh my god, I just came. There's my bike. Bro, this thing sounds so good. On 0304. It's not studded out, obviously. I think it was at one time though, because he's got the freaking clean air mod, but he's let me ride it real quick. I better chill out though, because he got no plate. This thing is freaking God, bro. I forgot how. Freaking crux these things are, bro. Jeez. Alright, go ahead, lady. It's pretty smooth, though. It sounds good. Right, bro, my roommates are making me want to get a sport bike again. What the crap? I love my naked bike. It's so comfy. No blinkers or nothing. Oh, bro, this feels so weird. Let's see if I can turn around. My bars barely even turn on the sport bike. She quick. Man, this thing might be tuned or something. Sounds good.